Alrighty, YouTube, how are we doing today? Last video was interesting. I guess my mic was turned off the entire time. Pretty much all I said was the market was going to pull back down below 3,000, which y'all probably don't believe me because you can't hear it or anything. But I was right about that. Anyways, yeah, let's get into it. Been gone all weekend, been at a music festival up towards New York. It was fun, great time. But let's see. Haven't really looked much in the market today. Just pretty much got on, had some nice sleep. Didn't wake up at 9 o'clock today. Oh, but the market is still down from its high that it's been pushing up for the last month. It's pushed past 3,000, which is normal for it to go down once it pushes the century level like this, because the century level is like hundreds, 2100, 2200, 2300, 2400, you get the memo. 3000 is a century level, and it's a 3000 level too, so that's the thing. But hit that level, of course, pull down below, it's going to retest the waters. I feel like there's still a bunch of momentum with it to go fill back up. Today's looking pretty good. Looks like pulled back all the way down. It's extended pretty far out from the high, which is just probably just a nice, a few corrections along the way. But haven't made really any trades today. Market's not looking how I want it, especially with these steps. It looks like that it's coming down. It looked like it tried pushing for a new high this morning, but it failed to do so, and now it's pulling back down, which is something that I like to wait to see it unfold rather than just get in. I'd like to wait to see how this plays out and see what it does rather than trying to make a trade and a decision on that, because it's a weird trend today. I can't, I would say, it's kind of on an uptrend, but it's also kind of on a range because it pulls up and it pulls down. Really, it's just moving sideways. There's really not been any momentum at all today. It's only 11:40. Tell I'm so tired, but it's just stayed between this price level. I don't really moved much. I'm gonna need to get something. Drawing tools. Let me change this out real quick. Yeah, right now you can see that it's pulling up a little bit. Oh, and let me change my chart out too. I like using the 2000 tick chart, especially when trading this. I like it more. I feel like it shows patterns better. It runs smoothly. It's not so choppy, and I feel like you can just make better trading decisions based on the 2000 ticks, because what the 2000 ticks is each candle that it's making, it goes with 2000 trades. Yeah, and that's how many contracts it takes for it to move per tick. So it's a nice accurate thing because it shows you the price level of the purchases of that many contracts, and it shows you the average price of that, and that's what it moves through. I might be wrong about that. I'm still learning as we go with this, of course, because I'm doing most of this for a self-learning process. I want to watch these videos at the end of the months and just see my overall progress. Right now we're on a little double bottom right here, but it's pulled down from where it was moving higher on the day. It was making new highs, but had this huge leg down in the morning. This is just the kind of day that I don't really like trading much, because I really don't know which way the market could be moving. I was thinking it's going to fill its gap that it's had, but at this rate, it's just moving sideways. It's best to just wait for a trend or a range or something that you can notice and you get in on and know the market, instead of it just moving sideways like it is right now, because it could go up a second, go down the next second. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do most of the day. Is I'm just going to get some stuff done, check the market here and there, see if anything has changed. I'm thinking that, I gotta look at here. I was thinking it would fill this gap in for today or tomorrow. That's the price level it's trying to push towards. That's what I think, or at least come up towards the gap, and then we'll see how the market is from there. If it pushes the gap, then it continues to go higher, then that's good. But of course, since it's just hit such a strong level at 3,000, it wouldn't be surprised if it hits 3,000 or try to push back up and, pulled back down a little bit lower for a few more days, the rest of the week, But, it got an all-time high, which is amazing, especially after what's happened this winter and how the market's been, it's been a freaking bull since January, which has been great opportunities for people to make tons of money, or if you don't know what you're doing, lose tons of money, which is where I'm at right now, but it's a learning process. I still love it. Well, there's really not much more going on. Let's see. It really is just this Thursday and Friday, it was just a straight range. It pulled down, went back up, pulled down, and then that's why, I'm feeling it might fall into the wave of the motion and pull back up a little bit. It's early in the day. There's still a bunch of room to be made, still a bunch of things that can happen. So this is just my morning recap right now. I might do an afternoon recap. I didn't even think about that. That'd be pretty cool, actually. Do a morning recap for the first half of the day, and then do an afternoon recap for the other half of the day, and then make some projections on the night of what it could be. I might do that. But I think that's about it for this video for the day. Like I said, how much food in the market. And that's about it. I mean, there's still probably some things I'm missing, but I'm so out of it. I've been gone for 3 days, and I've been sleeping in the tent, so it's going to take me a couple of days to get back into the rhythm of non-stop thinking about stocks. So until then, I'm just going to take this easy and just talk a little and get myself warmed up. That's what this is all for. I don't care about YouTube followers or subscribers. I'm doing this because I like doing it. And I like learning. Well, that's it, YouTube. Have a wonderful day.